This is a demonstration of how to use a magnetic gradiometer and a magnet to find gold in rocks commonly associated with magnetic iron. The type of gold ore we have here in our little area of central Colorado is bound to magnetic iron. We have had a fire assay done on our ore and we have discovered that all the gold is bound to the magnetic iron. There is no free gold in the ore whatsoever, though the assay did report a very small amount of free silver that had floated on the ball mill water and deposited in our main settling tank. We call that stuff slimes because it's like wet slimy clay. Watch our video on finding lost gold for more details. It's a simple matter to hold a magnet over the ore to magnetically polarize it. Then we use a magnetic detector to see if the ore holds a magnetic field. If it does, then it has magnetic iron and therefore gold. We have experimented and had some success with using the magnetic sensors in a smartphone, but that can be hard to interpret as the sensor in your phone only tells you the total field strength and not the local difference in the field, which is what you really want to know. To that end, I have designed and made a magnetic gradiometer using two WT901 sensor chips. The idea of using two sensors is to show the difference between them. This will effectively remove or subtract out the Earth's magnetic field and show only the local change between the two sensors. Watch for an upcoming video on how to build and program this device. So remember to subscribe and enable notifications so you won't miss out. Here we are using the device to rapidly find ore that has iron in it. The ore we have here is approximately 10% magnetic concentrate, and the concentrate assays at 2.5 ounces of gold per ton. The non-magnetic part of our ore assays out at 0.000 ounces per ton, accurate to 4 decimal places. So we use that part of the ore for road beds since it is nothing more than very fine washed sand and clay.
You know, we're getting more than Earth's field out of these, so that's really good. I didn't even have to scale this up or down. Watch, you got your iron. Yeah, yes. Yeah, but wow.
Alright. Maybe do at least one more up there.
Yeah?
I'll do it.
No. Yes. No. No. Yes. So.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. No.